Okay, that just got a little too damn messy. Namaste and welcome. How are you guys doing? So today we will do a gradient henna nail art. I have done a henna nail art before, but this time it's on a gradient. So let's just get to the nail art. First of all, let's see the products. I will be using the Unt Peel Off Base Coat, this Nykaa nail polish, the Diva cuticle mask. For the gradient, I am using the same nail polish and this purple nail polish, then white stamping polish and some glossy top coat. So I'm starting off with the peel off base coat. You can use anything you like. Then I am applying one coat of the Sweet Pea blush. After that, I am applying some liquid latex because things are going to get messy. For this nail art, I'm doing the diagonal gradient. So for that, I'm applying the Sweet Pea blush and the purple nail polish diagonally on the gradient sponge and then sponging it on my nail. It took me about 3 coats to get a completely opaque gradient. And guess what? We have found my tweezers and this just got too damn messy. After that, apply a glossy top coat. And then I am applying some more liquid latex because we will be stamping over this. I also applied some Holo top coat. Doesn't it look really pretty? This is the stamping plate I'm using and just some white nail polish. Just pick it up and stamp it. That's it. To finish everything off, I applied glossy top coat. This is from HK Girl and that is how everything looks. I absolutely love how the Holo top coat looks over that gradient. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you guys can watch more here or you can subscribe here if you would like to, and I will see you guys in my next one. Namaste.